channel, guys. Before we get started on with this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get uploaded when I upload a new video, guys. So, today we're going to be playing with slime, as you can tell in the title of this video. My new slime, I had my mom open it, but it's from Five Below, guys. Cake should smell like slime. Nickelodeon pot slime, fun scented pie cake. Guys, I'm so excited. I haven't actually tried this yet, so let's go and try it. So let's open it. That's what it looks like in the inside, guys. I'm gonna roll my sleeves up, guys, because I don't want any slime on my new hoodie. Kind of hard to grab it. I'm gonna try to get all of it, guys. Trying to get most of it. Kind of really sticky. Kind of really sticky. Kind of got some of it. Got some of it. It's really hard, guys. Okay, we got most of it out. I think it has little tiny sprinkles in it. Can't let this get on the ground. Okay, guys, I got most of it. I think I got mostly all of it, guys. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends, guys. Okay, guys, we got most of the slime. Five Below, it's only $5, guys. And I am sponsoring this video for Five Below, guys. So don't forget to go check out the store. But I do really like this slime. You guys are probably like, do a scale, do a scale. Cutie fam, do a scale, you're the fam. Cutie fam. Okay, first we're going to do the twirl test. Okay, I got my swirl. I'm going to make a swirl now. We're going to do the feeling test. It kind of feels soft but really sticky, so I give it like a 6 out of 10. Next, guys, we're going to do stretchy. So let's see how stretchy it is. Not that stretchy. I give it like a, well, that's stretchy, guys. Maybe like a 9 out of 10 for the stretchiness, or an 8 out of 10. Now, guys, we're going to do the twisting test, the swirl test. It does go really neatly, so I'll give that like a 9 out of 10. Okay, let's make it into a ball. Okay, we're not going to do the bubble test because I don't have a bubble, and I don't think this is enough slime to do a bubble test. Guys, this is the ball test. The ball test is pretty good, guys. It's probably like a 9 out of 10. Let's try the finger test. Did you guys hear that? Come, make sure you, did you? Doesn't make much noise. Let's try the foot test. Okay, I made a bubble, so I think that's a good sign. Okay, guys, I think that's good. Guys, I don't think that works, so I'll give it a 0 out of 10, guys. Guys, I know you guys been asking, for the rest of this book. I'll do that in my probably next video. So it had to be guys, so I might quit. I don't know. But guys, that's all we were gonna do for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. And if you did subscribe, it would make my life